in this problem, we have x and y are two real numbers such that square root of x squared plus 1 plus x times square root of y squared plus 1 plus y is equal to 1. And the question is to find x plus y. So how we will do it? We will try to separate those two numbers by multiplying by the conjugate. So here we multiply by the conjugate of this number, which is of course square root of x squared plus 1 minus x. Multiply by it here, square root of x squared plus 1 plus x here, and this number here, square root of y squared plus 1 plus y equals, and the other side also we multiply by the same number, square root of x squared plus 1 minus x. Now here we have a special product, so we will have square root of x squared plus 1 squared minus x squared times this number, square root of y squared plus 1 plus y, and 1 times this number is just this number, square root of x squared plus 1 minus x. Here you see the square root will cancel with the square, so we will have x squared plus 1 minus x squared times square root of y squared plus 1 plus y is equal to square root of x squared plus 1 minus x. And now you see the x squared will just cancel with minus x squared, and just 1 will remain here. So here 1 times this number, and 1 times this number is just this number, So we will have square root of y squared plus 1 plus y is equal to square root of x squared plus 1 minus x. And now we will write x plus y here because we can't bring x to this side. So we bring x to this side, we will have x plus y minus x comes here, it becomes x. So x plus y is equal, and we will bring this number to the other side. So we will have square root of x squared plus 1 minus this number, minus square root of y squared plus 1. And now we will do the same thing for the other term. So we multiply by the conjugate of this number. So we start with the same equation. We have square root of x squared plus 1 plus x times square root of y squared plus 1 plus y. Here we multiply by the conjugate of this number, which is square root of y squared plus 1 minus y is of course equal to 1 times the same number, and 1 times this number is just this number. So square root of y squared plus 1 minus y. And you see it's the same as the previous example. Here we have a special product. We have square root of y squared plus 1 squared minus y squared. And here, the same, we have square root of x squared plus 1 plus x is equal to square root of y squared plus 1 minus y. Here we have the square root will cancel with the square, so y squared plus 1 minus y squared. Of course, times this number, square root of x squared plus 1 plus x is equal to square root of y squared plus 1 minus y. And now the y square with minus y square will just cancel, and we will have 1 here, and 1 times this number is just this number, so we will have square root of x squared plus 1 plus x is equal to square root of y squared plus 1 minus y. And now it's the time to bring minus y to this side and to have the second equation. So I will write it just here. The second equation. Here we have x, and minus y comes to this side. It will become plus y. And this number stays here, square root of y squared plus 1, and this number goes to the other side. It's minus square root of x squared plus 1. Now we have two equations, 1 and 2, and what we will do is just to sum them term to term. So if we sum those two equations term to term, we will have here x plus y plus x plus y. X plus y plus x plus y to sum is equal to the sum of those two terms. So square root of x squared plus 1, square root of x squared plus 1 minus square root of y squared plus 1 plus this term plus square root of y squared plus 1 minus square root of x squared plus 1. And here you see this number is the opposite of this number, and also this number is the opposite of this number. So this sum will be just 0. 0 plus 0. It's equal to 0. And here x plus y plus x plus y is 2. 2 times x plus y. And finally we have x plus y is equal to 0 over 2. 0 over 2, which is just, of course, 0. So the value of x plus y is 0. And this, of course, concludes our problem.